How to delete all your Instagram comments at once. So in the video today, I'll show you how you can actually go ahead and do that. So let's just go ahead and get right into today's tutorial. So you can see I'm currently on my Instagram account. Now you're going to want to head over to your profile, and from your profile, head over to the top right hand corner. Now there should be 3 lines. Now you should get a few options here. Now you're going to want to go ahead and click your activity. Once you've done that, you should get a place here where you can view all of your activity and options around it, right? So go ahead and click the third option, which is going to be the interactions option. Once you've done that, you should get a few options here that you can actually go ahead and view. Now go ahead and click the first one that says comments. Now here you can actually see that we actually get a comments page here now, which will pretty much filter all of the newest comments to the oldest comments on our account. And basically we'll be able to see all of our old comments and new comments here. So let's say you want to go ahead and delete all your Instagram comments at once. You would go ahead and click select. And once you've done that, it should give you circles to actually click on. Now just go ahead and click them, and you should actually be able to see that it actually checks your comments. So once you've actually done that, let's say that you want to delete all your Instagram comments at once. Just go ahead and click the bottom that says delete, and then click the delete button, and that'll go ahead and delete all of the comments on your Instagram account. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like on this video, but if you didn't, leave a comment down below on what I should actually go over again. But with that being said, that's essentially how you delete all your Instagram comments at once. And with that being said, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you until next time.